Hi, good morning, viewers. We come to you this morning, the first day of January, the year 2022. And today we just began the year, the first day. And the year has got so many things that we need to do in this year, just as we have begun. So today, I want us to talk about how to set goals in the year 2022. How to set goals. I know you have set your own goal. You have done your own year resolution. And this morning, we want to learn on how to set the goals for this year 2022, the year that has begun this morning. Now, many people, including myself, we have quite a number of objectives, quite a number of things that we want to accomplish this year that has begun today. So, as we begin from here now and navigate through the year till the last day of this year, we want to discuss this morning in this episode on how we can set those goals that we want to achieve in this year. Now, the first item that we want to discuss is you need to learn the power of purpose. You need to learn the power of purpose. Purpose is what will drive us in this year that just began today. Now, purpose is having something that you want to go for, something that you want to achieve, something that you want to do in this year. So you need to learn the power of purpose. Purpose is what gives the meaning of life. Purpose is what drives you in all that you want to achieve in this year. So that inner ability, that inner consumption, that inner push that drives you in this year is what we call purpose. So even as you have just begun the year today, aspire to have a purpose of life, aspire to have a meaningful life, aspire to have purpose in everything that you want to do. That this year, everything that you want to go to do, everything your hand finds to do, anything that you want to do in this year, may it have a purpose. And as we have said in this episode, purpose is what gives a meaning to your life. Now, the next thing that we want to discuss is the power of self-confidence. The power of self-confidence. Now, self-confidence comes when you have a good feeling about yourself. Do not despise yourself in this year that you have just begun today. May you not despise yourself. Those small achievements, those energies that you have, do not look down upon it. But instead, those are the things that will give you confidence. Even when we were in school, that thing that looked to be so difficult, every time in mathematics, in English, in biology, whichever the subject, that thing that looked to be difficult, that proved to be difficult to you, every time you stumbled on it, you achieved it, you became proud. So that small achievements is what is going to give you a self-confidence in this year. And remember, self-confidence does not just come like that. It comes with self-discipline. Discipline is a driving force. So self-confidence will come as long as you have what we call self-discipline. You don't just waste your time. Time is of essence. Time is a resource that once wasted cannot be found. So in this year, may you have a self-confidence, the power that drives you from inside of you. May you have a lot of self-confidence as you go into this new year that just began this morning today. Another item as we navigate in this year 2022 is preparation. There is nothing that comes to you without preparation. Even going to work, you need to prepare. You need to take a bath in the morning. You need to brush your teeth. You need to change your clothing, put on clean clothes. Everything comes with preparation. When you get into that office that you have in this year, when you get into your office, ensure you arrive early. So that arriving early is a preparation of the day. Because when you arrive early, you will plan for the day. But if you arrive late, if you arrive at your office late, many things will get you off guard. So as we begin this new year, ensure that you learn the aspect of waking up early, arriving in your office early, and preparing for the next challenge of the day. Remember, preparation helps you to get ready for the challenges that will come across in the day. The challenges that will come your way. This year, I cannot guarantee you that it is going to be an easy year. It will come with its own kinds of challenges. So, ensure that you prepare. Ensure that you have come up with modalities, ways on how you overcome those challenges that are going to come your way. So preparation for this year is a critical thing that you need to do. Is a critical thing that you cannot overlook when you begin this year. Prepare to have a good investment plan for this year. Prepare to tour into your plans all the time. So preparation, viewers, is key when it comes to this year. Another thing is self-reliance. In this year, you need to rely on yourself. You know, when you are self-reliant, you become so much responsible of yourself. You don't just waste anything, any resource that comes your way, financial resources, human resources, any resource that comes yourself, including time that comes your way, you don't waste it. You become responsible. So in this year, aspire to be self-reliant. Simply look into yourself. Primarily, be responsible. Remember that the final buck stops at you. It doesn't stop at any other person, because this is you. This is a program for yourself that you want to do in this year, 2022. The business that you want to do in this 2022, be it farming, be it dairy farming, be it poultry farming, be it any kind of business that you want to do. Remember, the buck stops at you. If you waste, if you're not reliable yourself, you will not achieve the so desired goals that you set when you were entering in this year. So self-reliance, viewers, is key when it comes to achieving the goals that you have set for the year 2022. You need to learn to count on yourself if you want to achieve anything in this year 2022. Another one that we will discuss in this episode that relates to setting goals for this year 2022 is image. Image. Remember, it is so difficult to create a name for yourself. It is so difficult to create a brand. It is not easy. It requires a lot of research. It requires a lot of investment when it comes to time, when it comes to financial resources. It requires your availability. You cannot delegate to somebody. You need to be there. And if you want to delegate, remember, you will not delegate responsibility. You will not delegate authority. Those things that you are responsible yourself, you cannot delegate. So viewers, in this year, the image that you create for yourself will matter a lot. Remember, image is how the people view you. The people from outside that corporation that you're going to create this year, the people from outside that business, the people outside that project that you have aspired to begin it from today, the first day of this year, that image, you cannot ruin it. The image that you have with other people, the way you talk, the way you carry yourself, you cannot just talk carelessly. You cannot just carry yourself carelessly, because if you carry yourself carelessly, how will you attract those partners of your business? How will you attract the customers? How will you attract the suppliers? How will you attract the financials? So image is so important, and you cannot just carelessly deal with it. So this year, as you begin, as you have set your goals, the image that you have, the name, the brand that you create, remember, it takes time to create a name. It takes time to create that brand that you have been dreaming of, but it takes a single second to destroy it. So image in everything that you want to do in this year 2022 is so important, is so critical, is so close to your heart. Guard it with the whole of yourself. And the next item that we want to discuss in this episode is self-discipline. Self-discipline. Remember, in this year 2022, we have come from far since this pandemic hit us, COVID-19. When it came, it created a new norm. Many people used to go and work from their offices. Nowadays, most of the organizations are embracing the culture of working from home. Nowadays, an office is everywhere. An office even can be in the kitchen. An office can be in your living room. An office can be under a tree. So that office that we used to work in nowadays is not tenable anymore. So self-discipline is critical when it comes to setting goals in this year 2022. Because let's say you are working from home. Instead of working, you are sleeping. Instead of working, you are playing games on your computer, playing games on your phone at home. Instead of working, you are sitting idle. Discipline is critical when it comes to achieving goals in this year 2022. Most of the entrepreneurs think that when you begin your business, therefore you have a whole world of time ahead of you, because no one is watching over you. But instead, you are the boss, you are the manager, you are the leader of that business that you have started. Remember, that business needs you. That business needs your time. Entrepreneurs should be more disciplined than any other person, because that lack of discipline or little of it will run that business that you have just begun down. So in this year 2022, remember, discipline is of essence. Remember, discipline, self-discipline is of good quality that you need in this year 2022. So viewers, the next item that we are going to discuss is character. Character is another aspect that we are going to discuss. Is a key component when it comes to setting goals for the year 2022. Because remember, character is that image. It is you. Are you principled enough? Are you honest? Are you respectful? Do you have is your integrity of question? Remember, principled doesn't mean that you are tough to your people. You don't respect people. Principled simply means that the things that you have set to achieve in this year 2022, the things that you want to do, you will do them. You will do them irrespective of what comes your way. So principality doesn't mean that you are not going to respect the people that you work with. It simply means the things that you have set, the roadmap that you have set, that you will walk the journey, the plans that you have put in place, you will achieve them. But not somebody just comes and diverts you from the goals that you have set. No, it's not easy. For example, if you are sitting down to work on your program, no one can just come and tells you to leave, tells you to walk out and go to idle. No. Honest. People will not just come and compromise you. No. So character is of essence when it comes to setting of goals, when it comes to this year, 2022. And finally, in this episode, viewers, is the aspect of extraordinary performance. Extraordinary performance. Now, the last item is that we are discussing is extraordinary performance. Extraordinary performance. So when you set goals for the year 2022, I know you have set goals, high goals. You want to achieve more in this year 2022. For example, if you are living in a rental house, you are planning this year you must go home. You must go and live in your own house. If you haven't bought some land, I know you have set good goals that this year when it comes to an end, you must be having some land. If you don't have a car, you are planning this year you must have one. If you have children, you are planning that this year your child must go to university, and not only a university, but a high class university. So remember, those goals that you have set require extraordinary performance. The level that you are performing last year, you must go a notch higher. Even companies, the profits that you made last year, remember, this year you want to go higher. You want to improve your profitability by 10%, 15%, or whichever the percentage, or 20%, whichever the percentage that you have set. So if those percentages that you have set, that you want to go higher, also calls for higher performance. So if you want to achieve all those, remember, you have to demand more from yourself. You have to demand more from yourself. There is no way you demand so little from you, and at the end of the year, you want to achieve more. You want to get extraordinary performance. So therefore, when you want to get extraordinary performance, you need to demand more from yourself. Now, if you want to live an extraordinary life, you must do extraordinary things. If you were sleeping up to 9 a.m., you have to find something to do from as early up to 9 a.m. If your day was ending at 2, you need to find something to do from 2 p.m. until when darkness comes. So, if you want to get an extraordinary income, it demands that you begin doing extraordinary things. So,